Interesting, to put it lightly, day of testimony in the Alex-Murdaugh double murder trial. We heard from Alex starting at, what, 10 o'clock this morning up until now at 5:30.
Yes, I've actually been sitting out here listening to all of this, and I just want to get to a quick point that we just heard on the witness stand. Alex-Murdaugh taking the stand in his own defense finally got to be questioned by Creighton Waters, and again, Darcy, he made the point over and over again. He said, I've asked it 3 times and Alec hasn't answered it. He said, you sat down and looked somebody in the eye, somebody that trusted you, and explained to them that you were supposed to be helping them, all while you stole their money. And he brought up previous cases of Natasha Thomas, Hakeem Pinkney, the Plyer sisters, Arthur Badger, and Dion Martin. And Creighton Waters, what he really wants to bring home, I believe, in front of the jury, is that if Alec is capable of doing that, he said, to teenagers, to a woman who had lost her daughter in a car accident, to somebody who was a paraplegic, and lying to their faces to convince them what they wanted to believe, how can he not be capable of doing the same thing to the jury?
The breaking news headline today, Alex-Murdaugh saying he did not kill his wife or his son. Kaylin Hagwood begins our team coverage now. Kaylin.
Andrea, and just to come up on your point, I think that was a major point of the prosecution's questioning of Alex-Murdaugh. But even in that, I mean, it was really drawn out in terms of yes or no questions, whereas he was very direct with his responses to his own defense attorneys. Naturally, I mean, simple questions. I actually noted that at one point he was asked if he analyzed evidence as an attorney, something that is a basic practice, and he would not even give a direct answer to that. They went back and forth on some questions so long that I think that jurors may have even forgot what was initially asked, and that may have been a part of the defense's strategy. But he did not mince words when he was speaking with those defense attorneys. As they were questioning him on key topics, including his finances, he said that he stole from his law firm and clients. He said that. He also said that he asked Curtis Smith, an associate, to shoot him to death in a botched suicide for hire plot. Now, he also said he lied about being at the kennels where his son Paul and wife Maggie were found dead, and he says he lied because he was on drugs, paranoid, and skeptical of law enforcement.
But once I lied, I continued to lie. Yes, sir.
Why?
You know, oh, what a tangled web we weave. But once I told the lie, I mean, I told my family, I had to keep lying.
Well, Murdaugh said that just because he lied and just because he stole does not mean he killed his family. He described a loving relationship between his son and his wife, and says that he, had that loving relationship with them and never would have killed them. Said point blank he did not kill them. And again, the defense has been arguing that there wasn't enough done by investigators to seek other suspects in this case. And Murdaugh, he will continue to take the stand tomorrow with more questions from prosecutors. Guys?
Thank you. We're going to continue.